Welcome guys. Let's do Solana technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Binance $710 bonus, Premix $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links, click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can collect these bonuses which are absolutely free. And you can trade with these bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only, put your seed money away, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching. Let's dive into the content. This is Sol USDT 4-hour chart and here you can see price of the Sol is at $215 right now. This is the horizontal resistance which is very strong resistance is at $220 to $225 price area. It is very important to break this horizontal resistance. Once Solana break this horizontal resistance, in that case it will be extreme bullish. And let me please show you one other thing that is very clear. This is inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here you can see this is the head, shoulder. If I calculate the height and if I put it at the bottom to top, in that case once it broke its neckline, it can easily hit its all-time high again, and this is the target. Here you can see $254 once it broke this. This is very important area. This is very important box area. Let me please put box on it. This is very important area. Solana should have to break this area, and once Solana price broke this area, in that case definitely $260 is very near. And if unfortunately Solana price again rejected from that zone, in that case there is a strong support is at this level, and it is at $209 price area. After that there is also a support at $200 price area, and this is the area where it can easily find another support, and this is the area. These are support levels and this is the target, but first it have to break this horizontal resistance. After that upside rally will start. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume and EMA ribbon. Volume is very low. That is not good sign. We need strong volume confirmation, but unfortunately volume is missing, and that is not a good sign. Candles are in between EMA ribbon, and here you can see EMA ribbon is the same point, is at same point where this box exists and where this trend line horizontal resistance is. Once daily 4-hourly candles closing above $220 to $225 price area, in that case definitely it will break this box area horizontal resistance and this EMA ribbon. In that case definitely it can hit my targets, and this is upside target. And let me please show you some small targets which Solana can easily achieve once it broke this horizontal resistance area. After that this will be the first target, $227 price area, and after that this area is very important. Here you can see this area $244, and after that $256 to $260 area. These are the targets. Let me please show you RSI is at 51, and that is good sign, and it is above 50. That means price can go up. And daily MACD crossover towards upside and big green towers indicating that there is a strong this is the strong confirmation that price would have to move towards upside. And let me please show you my daily chart. This is Solana USDT pair daily chart, and this is the main trend line Solana respect this trend line very much. Here you can see several touches, but after every touch, Solana price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, and again here you can see two touches. This is the main support area. It is at $185 to $186 price area, and this box area is also very important to hold for Solana. Once Solana price hold this box area, in that case this will be the good sign. In that case definitely price will boost, and this trend line is very important, and this horizontal support zone is very important. Now what next? Solana is about to break this horizontal resistance, which is at this area and $215 price area, and our target according to the support and resistance base will be like this. This will be the target according to the support and resistance base, and Solana can easily hit $250 price area, but this area is very important to break. $220 price area. Once Solana break this, in that case 250 is the first target, and our second target will be this area, $260. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing. We need strong volume confirmation like this, but unfortunately there is very low volume. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are in between this EMA ribbon, and candles are about to break this EMA ribbon. Once daily candle closing above $225 price area, it will break this horizontal resistance and also this EMA ribbon. This will be the bullish sign, and after that we may see a big upside rally in Solana's price. We have to wait until Solana break 225 and close daily candle above this area. $220 to $225 price area is very important for Solana. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 49. Once it crosses 50, in that case this will be the good sign. Daily MACD crossover was towards the upside, but now towers are changing their color, and now it is the indication that price will go up after upside crossover, and it is about to happen. And let me please show you my main indicator, which is very important to me. This is EMA ribbon, and here you can see Solana price successfully break these yellow lines, and these yellow lines are very important lines. These yellow lines are at the same price area where this box exists, where this trend line exists, and where these three CPR main levels are exist. That is why this is very important area. Now Solana is about to hit again first bullish target, monthly CPR bullish target, 234, after that 264, and after that this area $316. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with all of your friends and crypto community, and please always keep supporting me. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links: Binance $710 link bonus, Fimex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.